I'm sorry that I left you. I know you feel alone, but God told me that He needed me. He called me to come home, and what seemed to be an instant, in the twinkling of an eye, an angel gently took my hand and led me towards the sky. I fought the fight, I finished the race. Throughout the trials, I kept my faith. No longer do I suffer, my body's been made whole. I'm flying with the angels, and heaven's now my home. 'Cause I ascended into heaven, beyond the pearly gates. The angels were rejoicing, and I saw His radiant face. His eyes shone down upon me from the glory of His throne. He said, enter into paradise, for heaven's now your home. I fought the fight, I finished the race. Throughout the trials, I kept my faith. No longer do I suffer, my body's been made whole. I'm flying with the angels, and heaven's now my home. God told me not to worry. He said you'd be okay, because eternity is forever, and we'll meet again someday. I fought the fight, I finished the race. Throughout the trials, I kept my faith. No longer do I suffer, my body's been made whole. I'm flying with the angels, and heaven's now my home. I'm flying with the angels, and heaven's now my